Hey guys, it's Fossilization or Cookie Cat here, and I'm joined with Adorama. Say hi. Oh my god. No.
Hi, you finally got my username correct.
Yes! That's a 1+1 for me. And today I will be doing a really special video. It's a surprise. So Adorama put something on trade.
I'm scared. Does it have to be good?
No, just make it bad because it's probably a crappy item that I'm giving you.
What a shark fin?
Yeah, I want a shark fin.
It's red, so
Give me the shark fin!
yeah.
Okay, so for this video, I will be doing, like I said, a surprise for Adorama. I've been promising this for a little bit, but I've, been lazy and everything, and I apologize for that.
I'm crossing my fingers into my signature going, oh god, please, no.
This is just a thank you for everything you've done for me.
Do we have to take it?
Yeah, you do have to take it, because I'll be offended if you don't take it. Calm down.
You know what? Screw the Tootsie Rolls.
The Tootsie Rolls.
Thank you so much.
Please don't cry.
I'm not crying, I'm
Good.
shaking.
Good. I just had to explain to Kiki Dog why you're getting a headdress, and apparently she's not, question mark.
I can barely speak.
Enjoy it!
This is never going to anyone.
Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video here and start streaming because I want to see other things, because I promised one of the viewers that I would start streaming. So would you like to say goodbye?
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bloop, you're welcome.